Making no apologies for SOEs, a stinging response from the Commissioner of Police, Major General Anthony Anderson, to the opposition PNP, which has accused the High Command of using the enhanced security measure as the main tool to stem rising crime. The police commissioner was speaking at a press briefing earlier today. Jamaica Maitland has our report.
First implemented in 2018, states of public emergency have been consistently used in the fight against crime until November 2021, when the opposition PNP voted against extending the measure in 7 police divisions, citing, among other things, provisions in the ordinary legislation to deal with the country's crime problems. However, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson is hitting back at critics who've accused the JCF of using SOEs as the main security tool being used to address crime.
I make no apologies for asking for SOEs because as a security professional, as somebody who knows this business, I know that if added to other things that we're doing, it will create a better effect.
According to the commissioner, Jamaica is experiencing another pandemic, frequent and violent murders.
An SOE in Jamaica has never been, let's do an SOE instead of some other policing tactic or technique. It has always been and. It has always been in addition to. And it has always been because of a desire to get these numbers down faster than we know we can get them down using normal policing methods. There is nothing normal about the circumstances in Jamaica when you have over 1,000 Jamaicans being killed in a small population for over 20 years. There's nothing normal about that.
133 people have been murdered as of January 30. Most of the deaths were caused by gun violence. The police say it's been ramping up operations to find illegal firearms. 88 guns were seized in January alone. 10 were recently found at Stadium East and a section of the Nannyville community, others in sections of East Kingston. And as for the 20 handguns and ammunition found at the Sangster International Airport on January 21, the police commissioner dismissed suggestions that the guns were sent through a shipping error.
This is, ladies and gentlemen, a weapon of war. This is not the normal weapon that a robber in another country would use. This is a weapon of war. And this is what is in our communities, and this is what our people are facing. And this and other illegal firearms is what creates a situation in Jamaica where for over 25 years, we crossed the threshold for 1,000 murders and it has persisted.
But despite the murders that have rocked the country in just 1 month, there's a decline compared to January 2021. Shootings, robbery, rape, and break-ins are also down relative to last year. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.